Hey you guys, welcome back to Educating Wildflowers. Today, I'm covering the microphone. Today we are at the old tractor show, that's what they call it, at Robbers Cave State Park in Wilburton, Oklahoma. If you want to have some fun with us, like right now we're on a paddle boat. Look how gorgeous. It's 10:42 y'all, it's probably 95 degrees. It's beautiful. Fiona's back there. Let's have some fun in this video. Where do they live? Valiant, Oklahoma? Valiant. That's cool.
Dad. Mom, how are you supposed to open this exactly? I have questions that need answers. How do you open it exactly?
Okay, we'll open in just a sec. Okay, so homemade root beer. What do you think?
Tastes pretty good.
Tastes pretty good. And you asked them, how do they get it carbonated? What did they say?
Dry ice.
Dry ice.
Who would have thought of that?
I wouldn't have.
Them, apparently.
Yeah.
Watch your fingers, okay?
Magic.
Josie. He's coming in. Look at the design difference between those, the two smaller wheels.
What's in the John Deere?
Fiona, what kind of small machines are those? What do you call that? Small mechanic or what do you?
Simple machine.
What, simple machines? What kind of a simple machine is that? From that big machine up to the top. What kind?
A pulley.
You're right. Is there one pulley or multiple pulleys?
Multiple.
Multiple?
There's also a wheel and axle.
Long axle?
A wheel and axle.
A wheel and axle? Good job. What?
They have some bacon stuff. Oh, look at the pig.
It's washing clothes. Well, yeah, there's fabric in there. There's towels in there.
There's the transmission. Okay. The pulley is spinning by itself. It's called a power take off. PTO, power take off, which lets you operate the transmission in the engine without driving the tractor. Okay, that's probably a mid chassis PTO, and then in the back, see these splines? Come here. Isn't this cool?
Yep, you gotta wrap your arms around it. Hey, you did one.
What's up? Two.
Oh, this is gonna go.
Woo! You're not supposed to get it there, but good job. Hey, watch your face.
Oh.
Close. Oh, good job. Watch out! Fiona, they're playing. You gotta get out of the way. Get out. You get hit when they're playing. That's on you. Oh, almost.
Paddle boat. Seats 4, right? 4.
This is just what that fish. Hey guys.
Look at that guy.
Oh my
Bye,
gosh.
casters.
Yes. I'm sorry.
Hello, help you.
Little help.
Yeah.
Did I ask you for help when I was doing it by myself?
No.
No.
Because you were doing it wrong.
There's your goose. See, look at his back feet underneath his bottom tail feathers. It's kicking.
Oh, this guy's challenging us. Yes, it was.
You're doing good, sister.
Mama.
Look, he followed you all the way in, Jules. Good job.
And then check this out. Wait, more here. Get here. Move your hands.
I made one of these.
It's making scraps for your chicken.
No, it's making cornmeal for corn cakes. And you got your different size corns for your different things.
You're doing great, sister.
up. Yeah, good job. Way to figure it out. Yep. Good job.
Look at that.
Keep going. Might need to pull down. Might need to pull down. There you go. There you go. Yeah, get it. Push up. Yep, 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 yep. Take that.
She did this. Oh, Jules is gonna do it.
Where'd you get that?
Go. More. More. This is early American stuff, huh? More. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Is that all of it?
No more. More.
Don't let go. Try to kick back and
Keep going.
Keep going, don't let go.
Can't let go, okay?
Got you look at it then. Use 2 hands. Don't let go.
2 hands, bub.
It's gonna be hard for a while.
Now.
Doing great. There's more tension on it, which is making it be a little bit harder to pull. We'll go to a bigger thing. You can hold on to it for a minute.
One more. Okay, now you hop down.
Hop down, sister. You got it?
Yeah. Got it.
All right. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Brianna, Jules, Jason, and Fiona, we're educating wildflowers, living our home-based learning life here in southeastern Oklahoma. Glad to have you. See you in the next video. Bye.